Hi, I'm Peter Kalmström of Kalmström.com Business Solutions. In this demonstration, I'll continue improving my IT tickets landing page. As you notice, I have a new page, and this link in the quick launch of my site points to that page. And here I've added a web part with the My Tickets view, only showing my tickets, and here I have a list of the other views. Now, in this demo, I'm going to add another web part down here showing the graph that I created in Excel. So now I'm going to go in Excel. If you don't know how to make this graph connected to the SharePoint list, please do look at my other videos where I explain that. So I'm going to save this now into my SharePoint site. So I'm going to just browse here. As you see, that's pointing now to my company team site, which is not where I want it. I want it on the IT site where I'm working. And here I'm going to save it into Documents and select the name of my workbook, IT Tickets Summary. The browser view options here, you get a lot of options where you can define which items should be visible, either specific sheets or specific items. Notice that I could say already here that I just want the chart 1 to be visible. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to show the entire workbook. Now I'm just going to save that and go into Documents. Let's refresh that and we should see it there. There it is. Now I'm going to put that in my landing page, and I'll do that by copying the path to this document, and I'm going to copy that link to the clipboard. I do that most easily from inside Excel, and then I'm going to go into my IT Tickets landing page. I'm going to edit that page, and then underneath there I'm going to put not another bullet, but I'm going to put a web part in there. So that's going to be a web part, and that's under the business data. I'm going to use the Excel Web Access. If you don't see the Excel Web Access, that's because you don't have the enterprise plan of Office 365 or of SharePoint. So you do need that to have the Excel Web Access. So I'm going to add this now. And there I'm going to select which workbook I'm going to be using. And open the tool pane. Of course, I can also use this method of doing that. Here we go. There we go. Edit web part. So there I'm going to paste in the name of the workbook. Actually, I can't do that. I have to select it in here. Documents. There we go. The IT Ticket Summary. And the name of the item that I want to show is, of course, the chart 1. There I do have to type it in because the selector is not really a selector, it's just a text editor. And now I can remove all of the workbook interactivity and only show that item, and I'm just going to remove the toolbar also, making just a grid there really. Now of course I do need to modify the size of that so that it fits. I'm going to do that in Excel. Still works in Excel. Save that now and then refresh the page eventually. I'm going to apply this web part. Yes, I already did that. I'm going to save this now. And now you see I get the nice landing page with the latest graph. Now, I do want to tell you that this graph will not update automatically. You need to actually open it in Excel and refresh there. And the way to do that is either analyze and refresh all there, or go into the Data tab and refresh all there, of course, and also connections. You can go into properties and refresh data when opening the file. But that Excel file needs to be opened in Microsoft Excel for this to work. There are other methods to make live graphs, but this is the simplest way of doing it. So I wanted to show you that, but I will do the other ones too. So in this, I showed you how to make a graph from Excel and put it into my landing page. Thank you for watching this demonstration.